Welcome back to the Warrant Hero Investor Academy. In this video, we're going to look at the advantages of trading warrants and discuss why they're so popular with investors in Malaysia. The number one advantage of warrants is the gearing effect. In short, warrants move in greater percentages than their underlying shares. So, if a share goes up by 5%, it's not unusual for the accompanying warrant to increase by as much as 30%. Because of this, warrants allow investors the potential to increase their investment returns. Now, warrants are available for both stocks and indexes. Stock warrants offer you exposure to an individual stock, while index warrants allow you to take a view on the market as a whole. With index warrants, you don't need to pick stocks and worry about company announcements or profit warnings. You simply choose which direction you think the market is headed and buy a warrant to profit from your view. For this reason, index warrants are one of the most popular choices for investors. You can purchase both call and put warrants, allowing you to profit from both rises and falls in the market. And warrants are traded on the stock exchange just like shares, so you can simply buy and sell them through your normal broker. As you know, warrants are available for a fraction of the cost of their underlying shares. Because of this, the trading costs for warrants are much lower than if you'd purchased the actual shares, which in turn means more profit is left over for the investor. Now, warrants aren't the only securities that benefit from gearing. Margin loans and futures do as well. But unlike those examples, with warrants, even when your exposure to the underlying shares increases, your total capital risk is still limited to the amount you pay up front. That means there are no margin calls, and you will never be asked to pay extra if your initial view turns out to be wrong. This ability to increase your effective exposure while limiting your capital risk has made warrants very popular among Malaysian investors. Next, we'll discuss how to get started with warrants with a simple 4-step process for selecting the warrant that's right for you.